Hello, my name is Caitlin, and I'm a senior here at Oregon State University. I'm standing in front of Tebeau Hall here on the east side of campus. Tebeau Hall was named after William Tebeau, who was the first African-American male graduate of Oregon State. Let's go take a look inside. Welcome inside Tebeau Hall. This is one of 15 different residence halls that we have here. We're currently in the main lounge area, which is a great place to hang out and catch up with friends. There's lots of great spaces to see in this building, so let's go check it out. Here we are in a community kitchen and lounge. All of the floors in Tebeau are going to have a space like this. It's great to unwind, study, and cook a meal. This is the laundry room. Laundry is free for students, so you don't need to worry about coins or anything like that. There's even an app that lets you check which machines are free. What's unique about Tebeau is there's a lounge in the laundry room area so you can relax while you're doing your laundry. Welcome to one of the suites here in Tebeau. The Tebeau suites feature several double rooms and a shared bathroom area. We are now in a double room in a suite in Tebeau. The rooms come with a bed that can be lofted or bunked, a desk, a chair, and a wardrobe for your clothing.